Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making ukwa. This is also called African breadfruit. So if you'd like to know how to make ukwa porridge, then keep watching and make sure to subscribe. So put your ukwa in a bowl, put a lot of water in, wash it properly to get rid of dirt and sand, and put it in your pot. Fill it up with water, enough water to boil it until it's nice and soft. Once your ukwa is soft to the touch, it's time to start making it into a porridge. Then I added my blended onions and pepper, and then I added some crayfish and some stock cube. Then I put some salt in and palm oil. Stirred that in thoroughly and left it to continue boiling, and we were boiling to reduce the liquid and make the stock or the sauce a bit thicker. Then this is an optional extra, but I added dried fish, tripe or shaki, whatever you want to call it, and some beef. This is optional, you can skip it, and just stir thoroughly and make sure it's completely covered. Then this also is also an optional extra. You can I added sweet corn and scotch bonnet and mixed it thoroughly, and then I left the ukwa to simmer, and you can see that the sauce is reduced and slightly thicker. That's what you want it to look like. You want it to be like a porridge like consistency. Yeah, so that's the ukwa. Easy, isn't it? Try it out and let me know how you get on, and make sure you click the subscribe button. Yeah, one more thing, you can add some vegetables. I like to see color, so I put a bit of chopped spinach in there. You can put coriander, parsley, any kind of vegetable that you like, just to give it some lovely color. And that's my ukwa ready and served. Enjoy. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Till next time, keep living, loving, and laughing. Bye.